Hello users. Welcome to Sleek Bill Knowledge series. Are your invoice quantities showing wrong decimal like 2 instead of 1.50? Let's fix that in seconds with Sleek Bill. Want to adjust quantity decimals in your billing? Here's how you can do it in just a few clicks. First, open the Sleek Bill site and click on Login. Enter your email ID and password, then click on the Sign In button. Now you're on the dashboard. Simple. Now scroll down and click on the Preferences tab. By default, the General tab is open here. You can see the option called Decimal Places for Quantity. From this side drop-down option, set the number of decimal places you need, like 1, 2, 3, based on your business needs. Click on Save and that's it. Let's create the new invoice to make changes. Now click on the plus button, select Tax Invoice, select Client, add product, enter quantity. Click on the Add Line button. Again, select the product, enter the quantity, and click on the Add button. Scroll down, click on Save and Preview. Now, the quantities will appear exactly as you want on every invoice. Clean and professional. Sleek Bill makes billing simple, accurate, and flexible for your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content.